XRP has now broken a 3-year high and is closer than ever to all-time high. And throughout this rally, I have been wondering, what are the whales doing with their XRP? Are they buying or selling? Because in the end of the day, they control the markets. And you know the saying, watch what they do, not what they say. So today, we're going to dive into the data and find out what they are doing with their XRP. And let me tell you, the results are going to shock you. We're also going to get into additional information as to what is supporting the rally of XRP to all-time highs, like the Wisdom Tree ETP in Europe, Gary Gensler resigning, and much more. So stay tuned for that. Now, if you're a holder of XRP or just enjoy watching the XRP videos, make sure you leave a like down below. With that said, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so a quick reminder for everyone watching that this is not financial advice and for entertainment purposes only. Nothing in crypto is guaranteed and you could lose all of your money. Stay safe and do your own research. Now, the first point we have here is, or are whales buying or selling? Well, thanks to sentiment.net, make sure you go and check them out on X. We can see the rally so far has been reliant on key whale and shark wallets, holding between 1 to 10 million XRP, buying 453.3 million XRP in that past week alone, currently worth $625 million. And on top of that, we can see that these wallets holding over 1 million XRP now hold the most they've ever had since June 2018. So it's pretty clear whales are buying. And something that's very interesting is what retail are doing with their XRP, because they are selling with every single small rally that we have seen. So wallets holding under a million XRP have sold 75.7 million XRP, currently worth $104 million. So whales are buying or have been buying, and retail have been selling. And you see this happen quite a lot where people sell and they buy back in higher. Now, there's nothing wrong with taking profit, and I'm an advocate of taking profit because too many people have unrealistic targets. But if you decide to sell at, for example, $1.41 XRP, you have to have conviction in that decision instead of buying back at a higher price. Buying up all of the supply, and the average investor selling is seen in other cryptos like Bitcoin, where we see MicroStrategy purchase another $5 billion worth of Bitcoin, him reaching holdings of 1.8% of the supply, and you have BlackRock at 31 billion, Fidelity 11 billion. This is a running trend. And so far, we understand that whales have been buying, causing the rally despite retail selling. Is not affecting the rally one bit. XRP being at $1.42. Now, before we go into the next parts as why they're supporting and causing the XRP rally, I first want to share with you the Decent Hardware Cold Wallet promotion going on right now. This is the biggest promotion I've seen. Right, it's the lowest price, $89, $70 off, with the links down below. And also, there is an airdrop taking place, so you're getting money for buying the wallet, which nearly makes it free, right? 5 coins, you're getting airdropped. It's limited to the first 1,000 entries, so make sure you buy it pretty quick. And you can claim the airdrop once you purchase from the 6th to the 12th of January 2025. And there's a lot of coins here. BBB on the XTC network, XAH, another one coming on December 24th. And to be honest, there would not be a better time to buy 2 for the price of 1. Quick reminder why I recommend this wallet: biometric authentication. There's no 10 long digit code you have to remember to log in every single time. It's easy to use. There's only 4 buttons with OLED display. It's secure and hassle free. There's been no breaches that I'm aware of compared to other wallets out there. So reminder, from today, 25th of November to the 5th of January, if you buy, you qualify, and it's a first serve basis. The first 1,000 addresses that submit for each coin available. Check the links down below in the description. And now moving on to Gary Gensler, why this rally has been heavily supported by him in a step-by-step process. First, Trump stated at a Bitcoin rally he was going to fire Gary Gensler. Then he won the presidency. That in itself increased the price of XRP. Then he hinted at resignation as SEC chair. The price increased slightly again, then the cherry on top, him actually announcing his resignation for January 20th. Now, why is this positive for cryptocurrency and XRP? Well, it's known that Gary Gensler has done more harm to crypto investors than protect with endless fines and lawsuits, and more specifically towards the Ripple case, a less aggressive chair would have a more favorable result or potential settlement for the case of Ripple versus the SEC. And with Gary Gensler resigning, we could also see clear regulations in place. Right? A big argument from Ripple was that they contacted the SEC on how to operate within the bounds of the law, and the responses they got were vague or no response at all. With a new, less aggressive chair, we could see clear regulations on what makes a cryptocurrency a security or not. And now moving on to the Wisdom Tree ETP in Europe. Yes, we are seeing insane institutional progress of Grayscale reintroducing the XRP Trust. You have Canadian Capital, Bitwise, and 21 shares filing for XRP ETFs. So the ETP in Europe is for Euronext Amsterdam, Paris, Zextra, SIX, Swiss exchange, and it's physical, backed by XRP tokens, and they are stored using an institutional grade custody solution. Now, moving on to the final point, we have the SBI Japan CEO stating Ripple should begin preparing for their IPO once the SEC matters are resolved. This is huge, right? Because the IPO is very bullish in terms of strategic partnerships, attracting institutional interest, raising capital, boosting for the XRP ledger. It's a win-win for everyone. And with access to public capital, we could see more mergers and acquisitions happen more frequently and more easily. But that is going to be pretty much it for today's video. These are all factors, obviously, except retail selling, contributing towards the rally of XRP. And it's just great to see the price increase and most holders now in profit of XRP. The people that believed in XRP throughout this journey and still held, congratulations, you're probably now in profit. This is the highest outbreak we've seen since the inception of this channel in January 2022, and it's just great to see. Despite all the disappointments, all the FUD, we are here at $50, and hopefully this is just the beginning of the rally. But if you made it this far in the video, thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.